Unboxing. Thank you, my sis. My sister-in-law, guys, got me these Rayban Metas. Turn it to the side. There you go, the Wayfarers. Let's open it up. All right, we're gonna open this up and we'll do a little test here and listen, call, live stream. Wow. Oh, that's cool. I never thought I'd get anything like this. Oh my goodness. Let's open it. It looks great. Look at those, are nice. Pull it. Yeah. Uh-oh. There it is. Oh, that is so nice. Thank you, sis. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you very much for getting me something so nice. This is luxury, y'all. We can't afford luxury. Ooh, that looks great. Thank you, sis. We'll test it out later. Hey guys, check this out. I'm using my glasses again. We're gonna go here to Long John Silver's for lunch today. So you guys are gonna come along with me as I order my food. Long John Silver's. And I'll add this clip to my full mukbang. See you in a bit. Can I get the Monday special, please? A 2-piece fish?
Yes. Do you want that with fries and coleslaw or some with fries?
Fries, please.
Give me just... Okay, so you want the special, daily special with fries. What kind of drink?
Diet Pepsi.
Diet Pepsi. Anything else for you today?
That's it.
Go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you. There it is, guys. Look at it. It's working. Alright, guys, I got the goods. Long John Silver's. Just open it. You guys are seeing it from my vantage point here. There it is. It is the Monday special 2-piece fries, hush puppies, and... Oh, that was it. And a Diet Pepsi. Alright, that's the vantage point right there, guys. Ooh, how exciting. Alright, check this out. I'm filming now. From this vantage point, I put my sunglasses on the counter. I'm just going to check it out like this. There it is, guys. That's a good test for my Rayban Wayfarers. We'll go ahead and get into the video and record our mukbang before my hands get greasy. Bye. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another edition of the Missing Tooth Mukbanger. You had a few clips that you guys saw right before this where I was testing my Rayban Wayfarers that I'm so grateful for my sister-in-law for getting for me for Christmas. Thank you, Floor. It's appreciated. I was testing it out. Here they are. And so far so good. They work pretty well. I'm excited to be able to show you guys here on the clips and play around with this camera on the Wayfarer. It's really cool. I finally have some Ray-Ban sunglasses again. So thanks, Flora. I appreciate you. Love you, sis. And so this is what it is, guys. It looks great. All right, let's get into eating while we're here. I'm gonna take these off so I don't get any grease on it, because my hands are gonna get greasy with this. Sorry, I took a picture with this mukbang. So this is what the glasses look like. The Ray-Ban Wayfarers, really cool. It plays music. It plays, if you're on YouTube, you can listen to it instead of using headphones. Of course, you could snap pictures and you could film. So I showed you on the Wayfarer what my food looks like. I am doing a Long John Silver's mukbang, 2-piece meal on a Monday, 2-piece fish, 2 hush puppies, and fries. Really, really simple. Nothing too extravagant. No fresh. Fries are fresh. Still kind of hot. Got my napkins ready to go. I got my Diet Pepsi ready to go. So, start off with our tartar sauce to put on the fish. Lather some of this on here. I'm actually in front of the drive-thru at what's this place called? Panda. So people are looking at me. I tried to park somewhere earlier, and the sun was just hitting my face, so you guys couldn't see me. Oh my god. Steam is still coming out. Very fresh. Here are those hush puppies. Check that out. Look at that, very fresh. People are looking at me at this drive-thru. Like, who are you talking to? Are you filming? Oh well. I don't care. You guys see me okay? It's getting brighter back here. I'm starving. It's a new Carbong week. You guys probably saw the video already where I finally filmed at home, so home mukbangs are coming back. When I can film, typically on a weekend. It's kind of hard to film on a weekday at home, because by the time I get home from work, I am tired. I don't want to cook anything unless we are getting food to go for dinner and I have my place set up to eat it that way. Our Carbong's a lot more convenient to do, so you guys will be seeing a lot more Carbongs from me while we don't have a cruise planned yet. I miss the cruises already. I had so much content for cruises the whole year 2022 and 2023. Now it's just back to me and you and me on these Carbongs, home mukbangs, party food, all of that. I'm also going to add some malt vinegar, which is really good with fish and chips. Add a little, ooh, that's too much. I'm also going to add, I got hot sauce. The hot sauce is good too. It's not like your Mexican hot sauce, like a tapatio. It's more of the vinegar-based hot sauce. Oh, where's my tartar sauce? I'm just a whole mess. Where did I put my tartar sauce? I gotta open up a new one. Alright, hopefully you guys are well into January. I'm thinking this is gonna be released in January. I don't know what my calendar looks like. I have other videos that still need to premiere. Look how good that is. I know you guys hear that crispiness. I'm gonna make sure I don't touch those glasses. I don't want any grease on them. When you combine like the malt vinegar, ooh, malt vinegar, some hot sauce, ooh, bitch, hot sauce, and of course some tartar sauce. Man, it is like the perfect bite. Oh, please don't fall. Look at that, perfect. There's the perfect bite. That's too big of a bite, but we'll try it. It's so hot. Ooh, I'm burning my tongue. More fries. Of course, more hash browns. Oh, not hash browns. Hush puppies. Alright guys, short and sweet. Just wanted to share with you my new gift that I got from my sister-in-law. Thank you, Flora, again. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for thinking of me, and I'll definitely be using it for my content here on YouTube and of course on IG and TikTok. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's have a drink. Diet Pepsi. Bye, y'all. See you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.